In Campfire, you can group multiple parts or models into selection sets for quick access at the top of the hierarchy. For example, I've created a set here that contains all 4 doors in this model. When I select it, all the parts in the set highlight, and now I can use them as a group. So when I click Hide, it hides all the parts at once. Let's go to Scene 2 and I'll show you how to recreate that same set. To select multiple items, you can hold Shift and then click and drag within the scene, or you can multi-select from the hierarchy. In this case, I'll use the search bar. I'm going to type door, and then I can select all the doors, right-click on them, and choose Create Selection Set. Over here in the Inspector panel, I'll name the set Doors, and now it's here at the top of the scene hierarchy. I can select it just like any other item, and I can move everything in the set as a group. This also works with rotate, scale, or hide and show. If I want to change a set, I'll just right-click on any item to add or remove it from a selection set. Remember, the selection mode toggle is here at the bottom of the screen, so you can switch between selecting individual parts or full models. Selection sets are available on enterprise plans, and you can create them on PC or Mac, but once they're created, you can use them across all Campfire devices. So that's selection sets. They're a simple way to stay organized and work faster in complex scenes. For more help, visit our support center at support.campfire3d.com.